Alright. So I wanted to see what was inside, you know, the Uno bar, Puff bar, and Mr. Fogg. Oh, that one came off real easy. Alright, so if you don't already know how a vape works, I mean, these are disposable vapes, so I just wanted to see what the inside of these look like. But you got your little mouthpiece. I guess this is just a last filter or whatever before you know it gets to your mouth and your lungs and whatnot. But this is where the juice goes. This right here is this little coil inside of, you know, juice. Like there's a little tiny baby coil in there. You see that?
No, he does not. Kinda.
You see the little black? It's all burnt. Anyway, here's a little wires. I'm guessing this tape right here is to keep it from, since the whole body is like an aluminum metal thing, it's to keep the raw connections from shorting out on the case. You see this yellow tape and all kinds of little Chinese electronics, which is where this came from. This is the non-rechargeable lithium battery. What else is there? Oh, this one's the easiest. Here's the little sensor. This is the air sensor. This is what, like, checks to see there's airflow and then, you know, electrifies the coil right here. Looks like a little microphone. They put microphones in your vapes. Everybody's listening. That's really it. Vape, battery, coil, air sensor. Disposable, Chinese. So if you want little secret Uno compartment cases, just take the little air sensor, take some push the little airflow sensor out, just like that. And yeah. That's the wrong one. I think it matters. These are a little smaller. Yep. You can put stuff in there. Got a hollow puff bar, hollow what is this one? Uno bar, and a hollow. This one's probably the most useful to put stuff in. I don't know which side you actually inhale through. Probably that side. I don't vape. Fun fact.
Vaping's bad for you.
Vaping's bad for you. We bought these just to tear apart. There we go. Hollow.
It's crazy.